Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically that's very easy operation. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings and here just find the battery option. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here in this kind of third section, we've got the battery percentage option. So we can just tap on the switcher and as you can see, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will immediately appear next to the battery icon. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this as it is quite useful. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.